Okay, so let's talk guitar posture and etiquette. Right now the guitar is on my strumming hand side, which is my right hand, my right leg. My left leg is out of the way, my body is facing or is square with the guitar, and the guitar is level. My fret hand should be very relaxed and comfortable. If the guitar is slouched any, your hand and arm will feel uncomfortable and it can cause nerve damage or muscle damage. So try to keep it pretty square and keep your hand relaxed. Your strumming hand should be about at the top right of the body. That way it's a nice fluid motion when you go to strum. If you decide that you'd like to put the guitar on your other leg and you're more comfortable that way, that will be on my left leg, left hand, the fretting hand side. Sometimes it's a little easier, especially for beginners, because they're able to see the fretboard as they're playing. You'll want it to curve up a little bit. Again, you don't want it down, and you also don't really want it to be level because your fret arm will be extended too far. So you'll want it up. Let the back of the body rest on your strumming hand side. And again, you'll want the arm to be about at the corner. So it's a nice strumming, fluid strumming motion. If you are going to strum with a pick, you want to turn your pick to the side to where it's, the arrow, it's like the arrow facing, and you'll want to give a thumbs up. What that does is it closes your index finger around the pick and it makes your thumb come almost vertical right here, and you've got just a little piece of the pick peeking out to where it can hit the strings. This keeps a firm grip on the pick so that you don't drop it into the abyss, which can get a little annoying, and also so you don't just drop it on the ground. Again, your arm at the top right of the body, or the top edge of the body, and you'll pretty much use your forearm. Your bicep shouldn't be doing too much work, so just a nice fluid motion. Keep your wrist contained, don't let it flop, and don't keep it too firm. Just a nice natural relax. So go strum, keep your thumb up, keep your index finger curled, and keep a nice firm grip to where the pick is just peeking out. If you keep the pick between, and this is kind of a beginner's error, between the tip of your finger and your thumb, it can be a little flimsy and almost kind of a dainty type of holding it, and you're pretty sure to lose it at some point. And as you'll come to find out, picks are very valuable, and picks are about as easy to lose as socks in the dryer. Now for your fret hand, you want it to be, again, very relaxed, very comfortable. Typically, your thumb, the ridge of your thumb, or the break of your thumb, should hang around the middle of the neck. It's okay if it goes up or down a little bit because you'll need to reach for a little more complex chords. But you'll want to keep it right at the middle of the back of the neck. You'll see how my thumb is. You want that ridge right here to stay around the back. And that way each chord that you make should keep you at a very comfortable position. I'm making different chords here. My thumb is staying about the same. And it's okay if it moves a little bit. I'll make a couple of different chords here. My thumb stayed about the same, and it's okay again. What you don't want to do is bring your thumb all the way over unless it's used to make a chord. It just causes strain, and you can really start to feel pressure right here at this part of your palm. You also don't want it under because, again, your wrist is just looking unnatural and contorted. So you want to keep that nice and rested. Again, no carpal tunnel, no arthritis. So. And that sums up the posture and etiquette.